Hey guys, so welcome back to my really messy channel, and today we're going to be doing an update of what's on my iPhone. I did one of these like a year or so ago, and you guys seem to really like it, so we're going to do an updated version because my phone has changed from last year, obviously. So yeah, I'm going to sustain this intro, so let's just get on with it. So the first thing I have on my phone is just my lock screen. It's a picture of Cody Simpson. Love him. Love him. And so this is just like my normal apps, you know, like calendar, phone, and all of that stuff that I use sometimes. And they're color coded. And then I have Snapchat. That's my Snapchat. Go add me. Go do that. And then I also have my Spotify, which my Spotify is just Emily Portal if you want to go follow me on there. I have 3 playlists at the moment. My February, my bot playlist, and my January playlist. Go do it. I have a good taste in music. So. And then I also have my Instagram. Make sure you follow me there too. This video is just one big plug. So. And my name is just Emily Portal on there. And I'm trying to get a feed going. So. Go support me in my endeavors. I also have my games folder, and on here is just like one big YouTube sponsorship. I have Tiny Tower, Best Fiends, Motion Portrait, and Episode. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what Motion Portrait does because it's so funny. Hey guys, welcome back to my really messy channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my really messy channel. Ooh, I love. And then I also have my life folder, which I have Clue, which is my period app. Sweat Coin, which like if you walk, it gives you money, so. And then Life Sum is where I track my foods and stuff like that. And then I have EverDrive, which is basically just kind of like shows you how good of a driver you are. I have a really good score on there, so 96.5. Isn't that the body temperature? Then I have Happy Scale, which basically just like takes out the fluctuations in your body weight and makes it like, you know, kind of, I don't know what it is. And then I have InGrade. Let's look at my grades. It's just what West Virginia uses as their grading system, and I can go on there and just look at my grades anytime I want. Right now my grades are not very good, so. And then I also have Remind 101 because I run the French Club and Key Club Remind accounts. Then I have my Quizlet, which I just use for studying for different tests. Group Me Countdown. Let's see how far away graduation is. 3 months, 17 days, and 22 hours. And then I have Calculator. This calculator app is really good for when you don't have a scientific calculator because like the phone calculator just sometimes isn't enough, you know. And then I have Free VPN app. Basically just like block, like you know how on the school Wi-Fi it's like some things are blocked. Well, this unblocks it. So. And then I have my trash. I'm gonna go into that. It's just apps that I can't delete. And then social media, I have Twitter. My Twitter is Emily Pirtle. Make sure you go follow me on there. I tweet a good amount. And then I also have Time Hop, and then I have my Facebook and Messenger and Bitmoji. And then on YouTube, I have a YouTube channel. Go follow me on there. And then I have YouTube Studio, which basically is just an easy way for me to look at my analytics. And then every YouTuber has this app too. It's YT Count. It shows me how many subscribers I have and my growth over the past, like, I think it goes like 7 days or something like that. And then I have my money, which I have PayPal, Chase, and then Heartbeat is just what I get for my paid sponsorships. Ipsy, Amazon, Wish, and Hush. And then my music, I just have Pandora. We're not gonna go to that folder. And then on Instagram, I have UNUM, which basically just lets me look at my feed before I post it. It's a lifesaver, honestly. And then I have Vasco Cam, and then I have Followers Plus, Facetune, because I'm a fake hoe, Huji or whatever. Here, I'll show you how to do this. You like do that. Ooh, okay, it's developing. Okay. And then, look, there's a picture. It's cute, isn't it? Then I have Afterlife Photo and Photo Drive. Photo Drive is basically just for my photography. And then my phone case is actually from Wish, and it's super duper cute. It just has like these flowers in the back, and they almost look like they're painted on, and it's just so pretty. Like I love it. So guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe down below for videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time PM on the clock. So go do all of that, and yeah, I'll see you guys Wednesday with a brand new video. Bye!